Overview of IT enterprise applications. Enterprise applications are a software solution that provide business logic and tools to model entire business processes for organizations to improve productivity and efficiency. Examples include billing systems, customer relationship management systems, and supplier relationship management systems. An enterprise application is one that can be used throughout an organization to run multiple departments and business processes such as Oracle and SAP. Enterprise application systems are regularly the central hub for a large variety of data arriving from many sources. Therefore, they are useful for integrating contact data validation and enhancement solutions, as you can guarantee all data then entering the system is of high quality. Corporate function applications. The corporate functions consist of vocabulary content to provide an enterprise-wide view of activities. The corporate functions identify and define the functions that support the core processing activities of the business. The corporate functions provide a hierarchical list of corporate functions or areas of responsibility that must be managed by the business. The corporate functions abstract from data, organizational structure, lines of business, processes, and any other specialized views of the enterprise. The corporate functions are defined independently from organizational structure or lines of business. Marketing. Marketing team of any enterprise is responsible for promoting the products, ideas and mission of the enterprise, finding new customers, and reminding existing customers that you are in business. It organizes all the activities that are concerned with marketing and promotion. Marketing department has overall responsibility for growing revenue, increasing market share, and contributing to company growth and profitability. Marketing software commonly includes the following features: marketing environment, marketing strategy and structure, lead management, customer service management, marketing management, sales analytics, automation. Types of marketing segment. Customer relationship management systems were developed to address the need to raise a sales department's productivity and provide an effective way to increase sales. With CRM functions, such as sales opportunity management, a company learns more about its customers' needs and buying behavior and combines this information with market information to enhance the quality of the company's marketing plans and sales forecasts. Examples of customer relationship management software: Sugar CRM, Zoho CRM, HubSpot CRM, Salesforce, Oracle, SAP. CPQ, or Configure Price Quote software, is a sales tool designed to help companies produce accurate and highly configured quotes, making all the complex product, pricing, and business rules centralized, automatic, and available in real time, so sales have everything they need at their fingertips. The result is expanded revenue by helping all channels sell more, sell bigger, and sell anywhere. For most complex products, pricing, or channels, CPQ boosts sales effectiveness by giving you the power to create the best quotes possible. Examples of CPQ software: Salesforce CPQ, Oracle CPQ Cloud, Aptus CPQ, CloudSense. Campaign management is the planning, execution, tracking, and analysis of a marketing initiative, sometimes centered around a new product launch or an event. Campaigns normally involve multiple pushes to potential buyers through email, social media, surveys, print materials, giveaways, etc., all focusing on a similar topic or idea. Marketing campaigns are launched to get potential buyers thinking about a specific problem, that can be solved using your product or service. These campaigns are crucial to engaging your audience and raising market awareness around your brand. Examples of campaign management software: HubSpot Marketing, SharpSpring, Marketing Creatio. E-commerce marketing is the act of driving awareness and action toward a business that sells its product or service electronically. E-commerce marketers can use social media, digital content, search engines, and email campaigns to attract visitors and facilitate purchases online. E-commerce marketing is the practice of using promotional tactics to drive traffic to your online store, converting that traffic into paying customers, and retaining those customers post-purchase. Examples of e-commerce marketing software: BigCommerce, Xcart, Shopify, Jungle Scout. Contact center, also referred to as a customer interaction center or e-contact center, is a central point from which all customer interactions across various channels are managed. Their primary purpose is to provide customers with efficient and effective technical support, customer service and sales assistance. Contact center software solution that provides employees with access to account information and history to provide a real-time, personalized customer experience across all channels, including voice, web and social. Contact center technologies. Technologies used to maintain and improve contact center performance include: Automatic Call Distributor System, a computerized system that analyzes incoming calls and distributes the calls based on varying factors, such as the number called. Email Response Management System, a system that collects and analyzes customer inquiries submitted via email, and then routes the inquiries to the appropriate agent. Interactive Voice Response System, a computer-based system that enables customers to use a keypad or voice commands to provide information without the assistance of a human agent. Knowledge Management System, a central repository of information that can be easily searched, helping to cut down on agent training time. TTY/TDD Communications, teletypewriters and telecommunications display devices to aid with individuals who are deaf or have a hearing impairment. The process is like chat on computers, where one person types text to the other on these devices. Both individuals in the conversation must have a TTY at each end of the telephone line in order to communicate. Some TTYs can be connected to the phone line by placing the telephone handset in an acoustic coupler, others can connect directly to the phone line. Workforce Management System, a computerized system that helps with scheduling and staffing agents and managing agent performance. Examples of contact center software: Twilio, NICE, Avaya, RingCentral, Pega, Parent. Customer Experience Management. Customer experience management is a concept that describes how a company takes control of how it interacts with its customers. Typically, each group in an organization will build out customer interactions from its own perspective, that of the various process. CEM is about viewing and then improving the interactions between your business and your customer entirely from the customer's perspective and across the entire journey they have with your business. Listen to them. You need to find an effective way of capturing feedback from customers to understand the nature of their experience. Capturing feedback from customers isn't always easy, but it's the first step in understanding the customer experience and being able to manage it. Provide insights to everyone. Once the information on the customer experience is captured, you need to disseminate it to the right people inside your organization in a timely and relevant way. As hard as capturing feedback is, getting the right information to the right people at the right time is harder still. Guide, empower and enable. Finally, once the people who are responsible for delivering the customer experience understand the experience that's being delivered, you need to guide, empower and enable them to act to improve that experience. Examples of customer experience management software: Zendesk, Adobe Experience Manager, SAS Adaptive Customer Experience, Medallia, Qualtrics, IBM TILF. Supply chain management. Supply chain management is a way to keep an eye on and facilitate the production process from the time an order comes in until the time a package arrives on a customer's doorstep. These tools can control operations such as sales order management, manufacturing management, materials ordering, distribution management and machine management. Supply chain management software often contains the following features: supply chain monitoring, supply chain planning, supply chain analytics, transportation, logistics management, warehouse management, sourcing and procurement, supplier management, order processing, inventory management. Examples of supply chain management software: Oracle, JDA Software, Coupa, Epica, O9, Infa, Manhattan Associates. Human resource management. Human resource management is the process of recruiting, selecting, inducting employees, providing orientation, imparting training and development, appraising the performance of employees, deciding compensation and providing benefits, motivating employees, maintaining proper relations with employees and their trade unions, ensuring employees' safety, welfare and health measures in compliance with labor laws of the land. Human resource management software commonly includes the following features: managing job recruitment, selection, and promotion, developing and overseeing employee benefits and wellness programs, developing, promoting, and enforcing personnel policies, promoting employee career development and job training, providing orientation programs for new hires, providing guidance regarding disciplinary actions, serving as a primary contact for worksite injuries or accidents. Human resource management responsibilities. Payroll automates the pay process by gathering data on employee time and attendance, calculating various deductions and taxes, and generating periodic paychecks and employee tax reports. Data is generally fed from human resources and timekeeping modules to calculate automatic deposit and manual check writing capabilities. This module can encompass all employee-related transactions as well as integrate with existing financial management systems. Examples of payroll management software: Paycom, Paylocity, Paychecks, Paycore. Learning and Development provides a system for organizations to administer and track employee training and development efforts. The system, normally called a learning management system if a standalone product, allows HR to track education, qualifications, and skills of the employees, as well as outlining what training courses, books, CDs, web-based learning or materials are available to develop which skills. Courses can then be offered in date-specific sessions, with delegates and training resources being mapped and managed within the same system. Sophisticated LMSs allow managers to approve training, budgets, and calendars alongside performance management and appraisal metrics. Examples of learning and development management software. Simply Learn, Talent LMS, Skillsoft, Linda. Recruitment or hiring is the process of searching and attracting the right candidates for hiring them for vacant jobs in an organization. There are two sources of recruitment: internal sources and external sources. Recruitment refers to the process of searching for potential employees and influencing them to work for their organization. The purpose of the recruitment process is to find talented and qualified individuals for the growth and development of their organization. It is part of the Human Resource Management Department. Examples of recruitment management software: Zoho Recruit, Bamboo HR, iCIMS Recruit, Workday. Attendance management is the process of preventing employee time theft by tracking employee working hours, login time, departures, breaks, and time off. Organizations use several methods, from punching cards and spreadsheets to automated attendance management systems and biometric devices to manage employee attendance. Every organization needs to keep track of how their employees spend their time, especially when they work with clients and offer services at an hourly rate. Examples of attendance management software: Timelabs Professional, Zoho People, Kundal. Finance management. Finance management software contains a range of financial management tools that streamline the process of completing transactions and processing monetary information. A big issue that enterprises come across when conducting financial operations is consolidating information from across different departments, projects and sub-businesses. Finance vendors that are skilled in working with large companies will offer a means to centralize and automate financial processes from across an organization. Finance software commonly includes the following features: Accounts Payable, Accounts Receivable, Budgeting, Forecasting, Business Strategy, Cash Management, Fixed Assets. Finance software commonly includes the following features: Accounts Payable ensures that all suppliers and vendors are paid. The person in charge should verify that expenses are accurate and are coded correctly. How often do you come across expenses that end up in a completely random account? Accounts Receivable ensures that all customers are billed and that you get paid. The person in charge records revenue in the books and makes sure customers know how much they owe. Budgeting, Forecasting. Based on historical information and management's expectations, budgets are the numerical representation of a business's goals and vision. Those budgets can then be used to forecast the future performance of the company. It can be either future cash flow or future profits. Business Strategy. The strategy is the plan used to reach a specific goal. The finance department is critical towards setting the plans because they can give advice towards what certain actions will give you the most return. Strategy setting should be a team effort with a CFO or controller as an integral part of the process with the executives. Cash management ensures there is enough cash to keep operations running and all cash transactions are accounted for. We want to ensure the proper level of cash for future needs. This is a big fraud risk area and special attention should be made to the people in charge of this area. Fixed assets. This is the property, plant and equipment of the business. These items are used in the business processes to create revenue for the company. For example, computers help a consulting firm do analysis and prepare reports, which creates revenue for the business. Issues to keep in mind here are accounting for them properly, depreciating them accurately, and maintaining the investments with proper repair and maintenance. Tax and compliance. Running a business involves paying tax, and paying tax means doing a lot of calculations and filling out a lot of forms. Often using the financial statements as a basis, along with various other configurations of the information produced by bookkeeping and payables, receivables. The tax and compliance function will make sure all the government forms and filings are sent complete and on time to the taxman. Sales tax compliance. Sales tax compliance software helps businesses utilizing customer-facing transactions apply the appropriate local and federal rules and rates, so the correct taxes are collected. Staying up to date with changing rules and exemptions is required by law, and these tools ensure the full transaction lifecycle is aligned with any relevant jurisdictions, which can vary depending on the number of markets a business serves. Business owners, customer support teams, accounting teams, and e-commerce administrators in a variety of industries use sales tax compliance products to oversee tax collection and filing for all sales transactions, also known as indirect tax. This includes adjusting sales tax prices for certain products, customers, or occasions where necessary, such as sales tax holidays or after a customer's change in circumstance, along with any update to official regulations when new legislation is passed. Examples of sales tax compliance software: Avalara, Vertex, Intuit. Examples of finance management software: Blackline, Oracle ERP, SAP ERP, Mint, QuickBooks. Legal department. The corporate legal department oversees a firm's litigation and compliance with internal and external regulations and laws. In some cases, an internal corporate legal group may also handle intellectual property issues, risk management and/or corporate governance. Certain legal functions may be outsourced to an external law firm. The legal department provides legal consultation and advice as well as reviewing the rules, contracts and agreements generated by other departments. Legal department software commonly includes the following features: providing legal advice and guidance, prosecution of cases in courts and litigation management, outside counsel management, department operations and management, vendor management, contracts management. Examples of legal department software: DocuSign Agreement Cloud, Icertis Contract Management Platform, Athenian, App4Legal. Procurement. Procurement have moved far beyond traditional roles limited to contracting goods and services on demand. The duties and responsibilities of modern procurement organizations are intrinsic to company profitability and productivity. Organization revenue and liquidity depend on how well the procurement department functions. Buying goods and services is only the beginning. World-class procurement departments are staffed by procurement professionals highly skilled at negotiating the best deal for the company, the highest quality product available for the lowest price while meeting company standards, client and public expectations, and industry regulations. Procurement software commonly includes the following features: identifying requirements for goods, Materials and services. Identifying reliable suppliers. Price negotiations. Comparison of delivery terms. Establishing order quantities. Writing requests for bids and awarding supply contracts. Product testing and quality control. Managing budgets and payments. Examples of procurement software. SAP Supplier Relationship Management. Oracle Procurement Cloud. Coupa Procurement. Workday Procurement. Product Lifecycle Management. PLM is a helpful tool for enterprises to use as they go through the product design life cycle. It provides a centralized location for employees to view designs and make changes that can then be reflected throughout the entirety of the life cycle. Product lifecycle management solutions are effective at making sure everyone remains on the same page and ensuring all necessary compliance and design steps are conducted. Some specific features of PLM software are: Document Management, BOM Management, Configuration Management, CAD File Management, Regulatory Compliance, Project Management, Portfolio Management, Component Management. Example Product Lifecycle Management. Plan. The first stage is the definition of the product requirements based on customer, company, market and regulatory bodies' viewpoints. From this specification, the product's major technical parameters can be defined. In parallel, the initial concept design work is performed defining the aesthetics of the product together with its main functional aspects. Design. This is where the detailed design and development of the product's form starts, progressing to prototype testing, through pilot release to full product launch. It can also involve redesign and ramp for improvement to existing products as well as planned obsolescence. Realize or manufacture. Once the design of the product's components is complete, the method of manufacturing is defined. This includes CAD tasks such as tool design, including creation of CNC machining instructions for the product's parts as well as creation of specific tools to manufacture those parts, using integrated or separate CAM software. Service. The final phase of the life cycle involves managing in-service information. This can include providing customers and service engineers with the support and information required for repair and maintenance, as well as waste management or recycling. This can involve the use of tools such as maintenance, repair and operations management software. Examples of product lifecycle management software: Autodesk Vault, Oracle Agile PLM, SAP PLM, PTC, Siemens, Dassault.